Hello YouTube family, this is Angela coming to you with another video, and today I will be eating Jimmy John's. Let us say our prayer first. Amen. So y'all, today I have Jimmy John's. I have an sandwich. I have one of their $3 little small little sandwiches, roast beef, and I have a pickle. And I have their Jimmy John barbecue chips. I was trying to see if they kettle chips. I think they are kettle chips. I like that cute little bag, got their name on it. Cute little bag. Guys, I had to get a Pepsi out. They ain't had no tea. They had some unsweet tea, but it's all they had. These cute little sandwiches was $3. I don't want to get no whole nother big sandwich if I got this sandwich. And my husband know I love pickles, so as soon as he's walking out the door, he gonna say he got him a pickle. So I was mad. I was like, how you gonna get a pickle and don't tell me you know I love pickles? You know I love pickles. So we went back in there and get it. He gave it to me for free. Y'all, my videos, I be smacking. I don't even know I be smacking. So when I watch my videos after it's over, so forgive me, y'all. Somebody calling my phone. Somebody called her. So forgive me, y'all, if I be smacking. I love pickle. It's like a kosher pickle. Now I gotta find out do they do the pickle sandwiches, because I seen the pickle sandwich on Facebook and I want one. I just gotta find out where's it at. I like the onions. But Jimmy John's, y'all, you gotta look on the menu. It ain't like Subway. You gotta tell them what you want. Your mayonnaise, your mustard, your pickle. You gotta let them know. If not, they're not gonna put it on there. These some good chips. Jimmy John. I got the with lettuce. Mm-hmm. So that's all I said. Y'all just said give me a turkey. And, I didn't know what to order, y'all. This is a place I don't go to all the time. But like I was telling my husband, like McDonald's, I know what I want. Burger King, I know what I want. The same thing. Chick-fil-A, I order the same thing. But if I start going here, I already know what I'm gonna get for now. I'm gonna get an sandwich and maybe one of these are $3 sandwiches. They chips and a drink. And I need some good kettle chips. Well, your chips good. What kind you had got? Right, them good. Oh. Miss Vicky, I still love you too. Don't worry about it, honey. I still love you too, Miss Vicky's at Subway. We still love Miss Vicky too, y'all. Y'all know I'm gonna do a video today, but I had went and got my Jimmy John's for Saturday. I wanted to get it, but it was raining so bad. So it was nice out there today. These the barbecue ones. Ooh. Let me taste this one now. So y'all, they had these $3. Look at this nice, pretty white bread. Roast beef is so good. And with Jimmy John's, y'all, you can buy yesterday's bread for 50 cents. Yesterday's bread for 50 cents. I do know that about Jimmy John's. They let you buy their bread for 50 cents. This one of them kosher deal pickles, y'all. So the bus is out here on a Saturday schedule because of the virus. I'm grateful they didn't stop it all the way because we take the bus to work, but they on a Saturday schedule. So we'll try to go in and get done, do what we need to do so we can get up out of there to get back on the bus. The Saturday schedule around here means that they stop early. If you're looking for a fresh sandwich, fresh chips, this the place. Like I said, we still love you, Subway. We still love you, Miss Vicky Chips. Miss Vicky Chips. Oh, boy. I'm full. Off of onwards. What you got? 8 inches or something? 20 inches or something? What? No. I don't want this thing now. My kids ate Subway, y'all. I bought them cold cut. My other son, meatball. He the only one that don't eat cold cut. Ooh, y'all, I'm full. I'm gonna eat that good bite. I ain't had a kosher pickle like this in so long. So be it. Now I love eating my cotton candy pickles. I eat those on weekends, but this is not the kind of pickle for that. The plastic pickle. It's the best pickle to have for cotton candy pickle. Y'all praying for me this week. That this be my week. That this be a good week. God is always good, so I know He's gonna let this be a good week for me and my family. Mm-mm-mm. Man, I'm satisfied, y'all. I'm full. Saturday, I really had a taste for it, but it was just raining too bad. Of course, the rain stopped once I got my other food, of course, but it's okay. I'm gonna wrap this up. Ooh. The cute little Jimmy John paper. Yeah, everything cute to me. I'd be like, this so cute. This so cute. Huh? Oh. That was like a cute little sandwich when I took it out. A little bitty old cute little sandwich. My daughter eating yogurt. I don't think she ate her Subway yet. I said, it's not like it's gonna be anything big. Yeah, them shits was the bomb. And if y'all want to try the barbecue, that's what I had. Seasoned, very good, very well. That kettle chips didn't even taste like kettle chips. Okay, y'all, let me get out of here. I told y'all I wasn't going to even do a video today, but thank God I did. I was able to do one right quick. Thank you. I do have new subscribers. I'm getting new subscribers all weekend. I think it's thanks to Face Squad. And if it weren't for Face Squad, thanks for whoever just seen my channel. But I know a lot came from Face Squad for shouting me out. If y'all ain't checked out Face Squad, check her out. I've been watching her a couple years now. Okay. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope y'all have a happy Monday. Take care. The weather is nice today. Like they say, if you gotta stay in, stay in. He did extend it for another 30 days. So out here, all the papers said March 31st. So yes, tomorrow was supposed to be the deadline, but I guess it's extended. We still out here going to work. Still gotta still on the bus. I'm doing what we need to do. Yeah. Let me get this on last minute in so it can be 20 minutes. So that's all. I just hope y'all have a good day, good week. I hope I have a blessed week. I got things planned. I'm just hope my plans go like I wanted to this week. That's all I'm saying. Let's hope my plans go well. And I might be on here tomorrow. If not, I'm gonna be on here Wednesday. So, cause I already know we eat tomorrow. We eat McDonald's. McDonald's is next door, so that's why we eat it a lot. I already know we eating that tomorrow. So, Oh. Okay, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on next video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and thank you to my old subscribers. My numbers are going up, and I am blessed. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Take care. Have a blessed day.